Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European shares rose to record levels, led by defence stocks, as the region's political leaders called for an emergency summit on the Ukraine war amid growing US calls to boost military spending for security. Cryptocurrency exchange-traded products experienced a significant sell-off last week, marking the first major outflows of 2025. Crypto ETPs recorded $415 million of outflows in the past trading week, with Bitcoin leading the sell-off with $430 million in outflows. Online fast fashion retailer Shein is under pressure to cut its valuation to about $30 billion ahead of its London listing. Its shareholders are suggesting that an adjustment is required to help get the potential initial public offering in the UK over the line.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 3:30 GMT. The UK's average earnings, excluding bonus, at 7 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 3:30 GMT. Japan's merchandise trade balance total will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US NAHB housing market index at 15 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.